A Case of Blackmail in Belgravia, a Freddie Pilkington Soames adventure, Volume 1. Written by Clara Benson. Narrated by Gethin Edwards. Chapter 1. Regarding him invitingly with those wide blue eyes, so like her daughter's, but without any of the innocence. She was much nicer to look at, and much easier company than the elderly Mr. Repton, with his dry, croaking voice, and his rheumy eyes, and his enthusiasm for the finer points of sewerage. There was a pause. "Perhaps I might stay just a little while," he said, at last. This has been A Case of Blackmail in Belgravia, a Freddie Pilkington Soames adventure, Volume 1. Written by Clara Benson. Narrated by Gethin Edwards. Copyright 2016 by Clara Benson. Production copyright 2017 by Clara Benson.